In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create an e-commerce online store as like this one. So let's see the features of this online store. It's on now desktop view, and I will also show you the mobile view of this online store. So this is the home page, sample home page of the online store. Here you can see the first section. This is an image of their product, and here is a button link to the shop page, and this is a section of featured products. Let's scroll down, and these products, you can see these products are flipping. Some of the online stores use this feature, and you can see here is a quick view button. If I click this, it opens a quick view where the product title and the pricing and the details displayed, and also you can view the other images of the product. You can also add to cart from here, or you can also add to cart from here. So let me add a product for demonstration. Here you can see, now previously I have added a one, and now I have just added another one, so it's two products added here. Let me view the cart. We can view the cart from here, or we can directly go to the checkout page from here. So let's view the cart, and if we don't want any of these products from here, we can remove them from here, just like crossing this button. The product will be vanished, and then we can update the cart. We can increase the amount of products we want, and then we can proceed to the checkout. So this is the sample e-commerce store we are going to create in this tutorial series. Let me show you the mobile view of this online store. Let's view it on mobile devices. I'm viewing it on iPhone X devices. So let's view it how it looks on this device. So this is the menu bar, you can see, and this is the shop page. Let's click. This is the shop page here. So let's start the video tutorial, and I'll show you everything step by step. So for the first thing, what we need to do, we need to make a fresh WordPress installation. As you can see, it's a fresh WordPress installation. And let's jump to the dashboard here. After making a fresh WordPress installation, we need to add a theme which allows us having the e-commerce functionalities. Previously we have added a theme which is Elementor, Hello Elementor theme. That theme was just for having some templates, skits, and it's a lightweight theme for doing very simple things. But now we are going to create an online store. So we need to have a theme which have all the functionalities, which allows us to get all the functionalities of an e-commerce store. And the look of an e-commerce website or store depends on which theme we use. There are many themes. Some of them are premium, some of them are free. So the look of an e-commerce store depends on the theme we are going to use. In this video, I am making it as simple as possible for you. And I am going to create the online store very simple way, so that you can easily understand the functionalities of the WordPress WooCommerce store and create the store for your clients. And most importantly, the online store functionalities are provided by in WordPress. It's provided by WooCommerce plugin. So there are a lot of things to discuss on WooCommerce. So I will cover those things step by step. So let's do the first thing, which is installing a theme. So let's jump to this option, which is appearance, and then go to themes. And when you come to this page, you need to click this option, which is add a new theme. And then there are a lot of themes here which provide some pre-built demo as like the template kits. So you can preview and select one of them, but in that case I am not using any pre-built demos. I'm just creating the online store from scratch. That's why let's go to this option, popular filter, and then select this one, which is Ocean WP. This one. So click here. You'll find this one, Ocean WP. Let me zoom, and you have to click this install. After installing the theme, you simply need to active this by clicking active. Let's click here. And now, after activating the theme, you will found a notice here, which is this theme recommends the following plugins. You can see this is on notice, so you need to add the plugins this theme recommends. This is the common fact of installing a theme, which is mainly giving the extra features as like WooCommerce and other things. So those themes always recommend some additional plugins. So in that case, these plugins recommends this these themes recommend these plugins. Let me install by clicking this Bing install plugins. Let's click that. After clicking that, it's showing to install this one, which is called Ocean Extra. So let me select this one, or if it asks multiple plugins, the easy way to install multiple plugins at once, which is click the plugins, select this option to install and apply. But in that case, as it's there is only one plugin, we can simply install that using this button, which is install. Let's click here. Okay, the plugin has been installed successfully. Let's jump to the dashboard. Okay, so now what do we need to do to get started the making process of the website? Let's jump to the demo again. Let's see. So for the first thing is we need to create the header part. So on the next video, I'll be showing you how you can create the header part step by step, and also the footer part. So on the next video, I will cover the header and the footer part.